So, hello everyone. Today, once again, we are going to do a role play. So, how are we today? Everybody's fine?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All are fine
Perfectly all
today.
right.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
that's
Yes,
great.
sir.
And I must appreciate your yesterday's performance was mind blowing. Amazing.
Thank
So,
you, sir.
yeah.
Thank
So
you, sir.
today we are just going to do a role play. The character is that. See, there is. Please turn off your mobiles and all. See, the character is husband and wife. Wife wants to do a job, but husband is absolutely against it. Husband is a kind of orthodox person. So, Ankit, you are going to play the character of a husband, and
Okay, sir.
rest of the people can turn off their audios. अपना अपना audio आप बंद कर लीजिए. And Rajni, you are going to play the character of the wife who wants to do a job, but husband is against it. So when I say action, you have to
Okay.
start speaking. You have to share your feeling that okay, I want to do a job, I want to face an interview. Then the conversation starts. Okay. So 3, 2, 1, action. Here we go.
Okay. Good morning, Ankit. Wake
Oh,
up,
good
Ankit.
morning. Oh, yeah. Hi. Can you get me a cup
Okay.
of tea, please?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah.
Ankit, take a tea.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Ankit, I need to talk to you.
Regarding what?
Ankit, you know that now I'm a graduate and I really want to do something in my life. So please, can I do a job?
Oh, look. The fact is, I love you to the moon and back. But in our family, as you know, girls don't go out and work. In our family is a bit conservative, so I can't allow you to work. And can't you see I earn enough money? We have everything in our house, and
But I,
I
but I do something, Ankit.
I
I
want.
know
My all friends were doing job, yeah.
I know, and I can understand your feeling, but you should also understand my position. We are doing quite good. I think you should enjoy at home. You should go shopping. Why are you so keen on working? You can
But
stay
you
at
know
home.
that, na, ki after marriage, I did do a job.
Yeah, I told that
I was doing
time.
a job. I was doing the job that time.
Before
That
marriage.
time
And
he
you
was.
promised me.
That
You
time he
promised
wasn't
me.
married, and things do change after after with time. Things change. Now things have changed, and I have decided that you won't work. That's it. Why are you arguing unnecessarily?
What changed, Ankit? Please, yaar, support me. At least you know my feeling. I do, and I do something in my life.
I want to do. I want to
Why
do something.
I want to do. I want to do.
I know you want to do, but you should respect your husband's feeling also. You cannot just say anything. You cannot do whatever you want to. Okay, in the family you have to compromise.
But
My mother has compromised. Her mother has compromised. It is our family tradition. So you will have to compromise.
you changed, yaar. You totally changed after marriage.
Okay, you.
Before marriage, you told me ki you can do job, but now you said no. Why, Ankit?
Yeah, because I don't like working women. I don't want you to go out and work.
Why do you not like a working woman, yaar? What's the problem?
If you want money, I can give you, but I don't want you to work. You can stay at home. You can watch videos. You can watch movies. I'm sorry.
I
Just
don't
I
like
don't want to
movie,
be.
yaar. I don't
I
like
just
movie.
I just
I
don't
want to
want
do
to be
my
in fight,
career,
and I'm
yaar.
going to my
I want to
office.
do my career, yaar.
Okay, please
I'm
don't
not just
shout.
talking to you.
Okay, don't shout at me. I'm going to my office. Bye.
I'm not talking to you.
I'm also not talking to you.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Now, irrespective of any fear, you have to go to face an interview. Okay. So finally, your friend Bittu will give you a call and he will say that okay, there is a company where interview is going on. So Bittu, give her a call
Yes,
and tell her about interview.
yes, sir.
And the boss is Mashal Singh. Okay.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello. Hello, Rajni. How are you?
Huh. Bittu? Hi, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also great.
Hey, what
I
are you
came
doing,
to
yeah,
know that
nowadays?
I'm doing a job as a manager in company. I came to know that you want
All
to do job.
Yeah, I really want. I really want, Bittu. You know that I'm always
If you don't mind, I can. If you
okay,
don't mind,
okay,
I can suggest you a company. You can earn
okay.
a lot of money if you do job honestly. That company. I will give you a
You
number
know
of
the
manager of.
okay,
You can talk to, and you can say that I gave you a number of that
okay,
sir.
okay. So
Okay.
please,
You
please,
can.
yeah, do me a favor. Please send it to me. Send the number, please, Bittu.
Yeah. Okay, I will send, and you can call me. You can call that sir. Okay.
Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you so much,
I have
Bittu.
already sent you. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
God
Okay.
bless.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Now you have to go to office of Mashal Singh.
Okay. Hello, sir.
Good
Can I
morning,
come,
Rajni.
sir?
How are you? Yes, please have a seat.
Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much, sir.
Okay. Yesterday Bittu called me and told me about you wanted a job. You want to do work at my company.
Yes, sir. Sir, there is
Do
my
you
resume.
okay? Do you have any experience?
Yes, sir. I have two-year experience.
In which field do you have 2 year experience? But you didn't mention in your resume. Why you did not mention?
Um, I mentioned in the second page, sir. If you
Oh,
see,
sorry. It's my bad. Don't
I'm
worry.
HR. Yes, sir.
You
Sir,
you
I'm in
have to.
HR in.
Okay, you are a you was working as a HR, but there is no
Yes, sir.
profile in HR. Would you like to do work in marketing field?
Marketing field.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I have no issue.
Okay. Do you have a scooty?
Scooty, Scooty.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, sir. I have.
Okay. Do one thing. Give me your
Sir, you told me door to door.
no.
So
I
no,
have
I
a
don't want to
company.
door to door because I'm a married person, sir. I can't do this door to door job.
No, it's not a door-to-door job, Rajni. I have a links in the big companies, MNCs. So you have to visit and try to convince him to purchase our product. It is not a door-to-door project. Every day you will get a list of the customer. It's all are in
Okay.
MNCs. They are the CEOs of the company. So don't worry about that. It
Okay.
is a reputed job and it is very good for you. I know you can do this.
Okay,
So
fine, sir.
do
I'll do that.
do one thing. Yesterday you when you come for the first day,
Tomorrow, tomorrow.
take some
Okay.
tomorrow you just take a Aadhaar card copy with 2 photographs and also a driving license. It is a mandatory.
Okay, okay. Sir, I have all documents,
And
sir. Can I give you right
don't
now,
worry.
sir, if you want?
Okay, do one thing. Submit all the documents to my HR. It's the first floor on this building. Take care and best of luck for
Okay.
your career.
Okay. Aman is the
Okay.
HR.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Aman is the HR. Aman, be the HR. Hmm. Rajni, you
Yes.
have to go and submit your all the documents. Say that
Knock,
boss
knock.
is. Hmm.
Okay. Knock,
Okay.
knock. Can I come, sir?
Okay. Yes, you can.
Good morning, sir. My name is
Good morning.
Rashmi, and okay, sir. I just selected in your office,
I got
and
selected.
this
I
is
got
my.
selected.
I got selected in your office, sir, and this is my document, sir.
Yes. I got call from the sir, from sir. Uh, so, what do you have all the documents?
Yes, sir. I have all documents, sir.
And Aman, you have to give the
So you check
offer
my
letter also.
documents.
Okay. You have to give the offer
Okay.
letter and joining letter also to her.
Just wait. I am typing. I am typing the offer letter of yours.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, I have
Wait,
a
take it.
2-year experience letter also. If you see that.
Yeah. I saw. I have seen. Yeah, let's take it your offer letter and
Okay.
come from tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, Rajni, you have to go back to your house, and Ankit will get to know that you have got a job. Now, Ankit is, furious. So much your anger, Ankit,
Yes, sir.
and a great fight should take place. Verbal altercation should take place. कि हाउ डेयर यू मिस, मैंने मना किया तब भी तुम जॉब करने चली गई. दिस काइंड ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. 3, 2, 1 एक्शन. गो बैक टू.
Ankit,
Yes.
Ankit,
Yes.
Ankit, I got a job. This is my offer letter. See,
Oh, how dare you to join an office? I specifically, asked you not to go to any interview, not to join an office. What the hell is this? Can't you listen to me? What I've
why,
told you?
Ankit?
What do you mean
Why,
by? You always
Ankit?
come up with
You
how
also
and
do
why.
a job.
You are in a habit of
You also
fighting
do
with
a
me,
job,
and
dear.
you are in a habit
Why
of
I'm
not
not?
listening to me. This is not fair. You should respect your husband.
No,
You should
no,
listen
no,
to
Ankit.
me. Your
You
place is in the
change,
house. Your
Ankit.
place is not outside the
You are
house.
not the person. You are not the person who I married. That's what. You
Come on, I'm the
totally
same
change,
person. It is
Ankit.
you who keep on indulging in fights with me. You never listen
I
to
do a
me.
job. I want to do a job, Ankit. This is my final reason. And I got the job.
No, I will not allow you to do a job come what may. I don't want you to earn money for me.
Who are
No.
you? Who
What
are
will people
you?
say? That Ankit is using money of his wife? They will laugh at
So
me. My
just
friends,
because
my
of
family, they will laugh at me.
your repo, I don't want to job. Just
Yes,
because of
I
your
have got a
repo.
great reputation in society. I'm a
I
big
spoiled my
man.
career.
What
I
will
just
people
spoiled
say?
my
What will
career just
media
because of
say?
your ego.
People will say that
I can't
your
do
wife
this,
is
and
doing
I can't
this.
live with you.
And tell me,
I'm
how
not
much salary
live
are you
with you.
getting? How much salary are you
That
getting?
authentic person, you sick of yaar.
You
You
are only
are
going to get
totally dog.
20,000 rupees, and for
You
your
have lot of
20,000 rupees
ego.
sake,
You
I'm
have
not going
lot
to
of
spoil my reputation. Is it okay with that? Is it okay with you?
just your reputation and your ego. I spoil my career. I spoil my
Obviously, it's
career
fine.
just because of
Everything
your
happens with
stupid
husband.
thing.
Reputation only. What does it mean?
नहीं
I
नहीं
have
I
got
don't.
this whole palace. I have got a name. I
I'm
have
not
got a
live with
fame.
you, yaar.
But
I'm
girls
not
like
with
you
you.
is
I'm
fine.
not
Our
live with
family's
you.
name.
Go to hell, yaar.
Okay, don't talk to me.
Okay. I don't live with you.
I can't live with you. I can't live with you. Amazing.
I can't live you.
Okay. Now in the office. Now come back to office, and you have done a great job. Suppose 1 month has passed, and Ankit is rarely talking to you. But now Mashal is going to throw a party in the restaurant. Okay, Mashal, you have to be happy because she has cracked, so many good things for you. She
Yeah,
has
yeah,
got
yeah.
so many links. Okay. So action,
Okay.
go.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Rajni. Today you make my day. You know that I got a great target from the MNC's companies. You did a great job.
Thank you so
You
much,
are a
sir.
magnificent. So I wasn't expected from you, but you proved yourself. Today I will promote you as a senior sales marketing manager, and also I will going through you a party because of your
Thank you so
because
much,
I
sir.
did. If you don't mind, would you like to go for a lunch?
Okay, fine, sir.
Okay,
I will
do
come.
one thing.
I will come with you, sir.
Okay, do one thing. After end this first, we end this work, and let's we go to the Delhi house. And there is a restaurant there, and we will take a lunch at there. Let's go.
Okay, fine, sir.
Okay, what do you
Fine, sir.
want to have today?
Okay, restaurant हो गया ना restaurant. Now Aman, ये Bittu, you are the waiter. Bittu, you are the waiter.
Okay,
You
okay.
have to come with the
Okay,
menu.
okay.
You have to come with the menu. And Aman, you are the neighbor. You will watch everything.
Okay.
Okay, and you have to click some photos. Then go
Yes.
to Ankit and show everything. So
Okay.
at the restaurant, action.
Good morning, ma'am. And good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Here it menu. Here it is menu.
Okay.
Bittu,
What
just
do you
tell me.
want to have?
Bittu, just tell me about one thing. What is the special dish at your restaurant?
You have take any disease, whatever you want, you can take. We give you
Rajni,
menu.
are you non-vegetarian or you vegetarian? Because I am a non-vegetarian. Do you like to eat non-veg?
Yeah, I like non-veg, sir.
Okay, Bittu, do one
You
thing.
can, can.
Give me one plate of butter chicken with tandoor and one plate of tandoori chicken, and also give me a bottle of wine. It's
My
a
God,
Why?
ये
Sir,
सरदार.
please
Wait a minute,
offer
sir.
me.
I will come back. Wait a minute, I will come back.
रजनी, you can
Okay.
object कि सर आप तुसी पियो जी, मैं नहीं पीती.
Sir, it's such a nice restaurant, sir.
Yes, it is my favorite restaurant. You know what? Tandoori chicken is the best in whole Delhi at this restaurant. So,
Okay.
champagne. Do you like a champagne? Would you like to drink? Would you like to drink, Rajni?
Okay, phone आ रहा है, ठीक है phone.
Sir, it's near to your home?
Heritage.
नहीं आप रेस्टोरेंट में हो रजनी, रेस्टोरेंट में आप हैं, चलिए खाना शुरू कीजिए। और अमन, यू जस्ट मेक द वीडियो।
Okay.
Yes.
और कुछ बातें कीजिए, आप लोग आपस में बातें भी कीजिए।
Rajni,
Okay.
मशाल
to drink?
Okay. Sir, are you married?
Heritage water, sir.
Sir, are you
Heritage water,
married?
sir.
Yes, of course, I am married person and I have a 2 child.
टू चिल्ड्रन।
And do you drink,
Okay.
Rajni?
No, sir, I don't want.
Okay. Do you like to some? What do you want in beverages? What do you want?
Sir, can you bring me mojito, sir? I like mojito.
Okay, Bittu, come here. Bittu, where are
Heritage.
you?
Heritage.
Okay.
Anything else do you want to, man?
Acha, bring a mojito
Yes.
for madam and bring a turbo for me.
टर्बो
Turbo drink. Okay.
Wait a minute, I will come back, sir.
Bittu, your service is too late.
Heritage,
You
sir.
you are insulting me.
No, sir. Waiting back. Heritage. Heritage, sir.
It's not your chill. Don't you know? I like a chill beer. It is a normal. Just go and bring a chill for me. You stupid waiter. I will not give you tip.
Sir, leave it.
ओके
Leave it, sir.
Give me your. I just want to talk with your manager. I don't want to talk with you. Call your
Sir,
manager.
leave it, sir, leave it.
ओके इट्स ओके।
Okay.
Sir, actually, I'm getting late. Sir, I'm getting late.
I am all because you are going late.
Sir, can you drop to my home? Sir, can you?
Sorry, I will not drop you. Drop you at home.
Sir, can you drop
Not
me?
your driver.
Sir, actually,
And
it's too late.
Mashal, this is bad. Don't break the heart of a girl.
Okay. So one thing, my driver will drop you. Until I will sit here and I enjoy my drink today. Don't worry.
Sir, it's really great.
So it's
Sir,
nice
thank
for
you
me.
so much for a lovely dinner, lovely lunch.
Okay, it's
Okay.
my pleasure.
Now Aman, you go.
My-
Aman,
Yes.
Aman, you go and reveal everything.
Ankit. Mic off.
Ankit, your mic is off. Ankit, your mic is off.
Hi, Aman. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. Long time no see, mate. Tell me.
Ankit, I want to say something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. I went to a restaurant because my wife is not here.
Okay.
So I went to take a lunch.
Uh-huh.
To take lunch, and I saw your wife there with a guy.
What? What nonsense
Yeah.
are you talking about?
I have taken pictures. You can see that.
Yeah,
See?
show me the videos and pictures.
Lovely.
You can see that.
Okay.
My God.
Uh-huh. Which restaurant is this, huh?
This is MBR.
Okay. Thank you very much, Aman, for letting me know
Yeah.
this important
I have-
information.
They were talking like they were girlfriend boyfriend. I have
What?
seen them. Yes,
Okay.
they were talking with Aplom.
Okay.
Great aplomb. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now,
I go-
Okay, Aman, thank you very much for giving me this valuable information. You are just like a brother for me, dude.
Yeah, Rajni is going back to home.
Yeah.
Fast.
Ding dong.
Tak, look. Oh, so you are back. Where are you coming from, huh?
Lovely.
In the office, Ankit, what happened? Why are you
What do you
asking
think?
these questions
What
to
do you
me?
think? I'm a bad or what?
Akshay, don't
I
go
have,
outside.
I have every.
What
each
are
and
you
every
wrong with
information
you,
about
Ankit?
I have each and every information about
Listen
you.
to me. What's wrong with you?
In the name of doing job,
What?
you are going romanticizing with people, with your boss. You go with him in a restaurant and look at that bad person. He's drinking wine. I have seen his
Go
video.
outside.
What kind of person is that?
He's just my boss, Ankit. He is just my boss,
What
and he
was you
knows
doing
he,
with
we
him
are.
in the restaurant
I'm
if
a
he's your boss?
married.
You are supposed to be in the office if you are working. You are not supposed to go into restaurants and drink wine with your
Ankit,
boss.
I did a good job and they
I-
divorced me, yaar.
What
That's
do you mean?
just
Huh?
that. Nothing else, yaar.
You
Nothing
were
else.
drinking
Why
wine?
do you not?
You were drinking wine with your
I'm
boss?
not drinking wine,
You
yaar.
were
You
drinking
know
wine.
that.
I
I'm
saw
not
you
the
in
drunkard.
that picture.
I can't say you, yaar. You are
Yeah,
just
you
a
say nothing to me, huh?
bad
And
person. You
always
are
come with
totally
different
mad, yaar.
lies. No, I'm not
You
mad.
have no.
I asked you not to do the job.
You
You didn't
just
listen.
thought.
And now every one of my neighbors is laughing at me. You know, Aman Kane, he laughed at me. He showed me
Why
a
is
video.
he
He was
laughing,
laughing.
yaar?
He
Why
was
he
laughing that look
also
at
laughing
your
over you?
wife.
From
She
you.
is just enjoying with
नहीं
other
नहीं नहीं
men.
अंकित he is just Ankit relax yaar listen to me yaar first listen to me
You have
trust
spoiled
me
my
yaar
name.
I'm not that type of girl I'm
You
not
are
that
that
type of girl you know
You are
that
that type of girl. Everybody
you
knows
know
now.
that yaar but if you were working now you have lot of time you have faced this
Yes,
type
I
of
am also working. I have
then you
also
are
got a
not
company. Okay,
not
I have
deny your
200
work
girls under me, but I don't go to restaurants with them,
I'm not
and I don't drink wine with
yaar
them.
he told me he offered me I'm not deny that time
I could
Why you
not.
did not
I'm
deny?
not
You should
denying
have
that
said
time.
that you can't go to the restaurant with him. You should
Yeah,
have said,
I can't live with you. I want a divorce.
okay, I also want to divorce with you. I can't live with a lady
I
like
want
you.
a divorce. That's it.
Yes,
That's
I
it.
also
That's
want
it.
a
I want
divorce.
to
I
divorce.
can't live with you for a single moment now. Enough
No,
is
no, no.
enough.
I can't.
Enough is enough. I can't tolerate it
That's my
anymore.
bad.
Okay, I
Okay,
can't
okay,
tolerate
fine.
this
I'm not
anymore.
talking to you.
Okay, I'm also not talking to you. Let's go to the
Okay,
advocate's
okay,
office
fine.
and let's get our
Get
divorce
lost.
filed. Yes, I have got so many
You
other girls
get lost.
also
Yes.
who always die for me. They
I'm
want to
going
marry
to
me.
my mom's
I will
house.
marry them.
I'm going to my mom's house.
Okay, you
And
can
I'll
go.
see you in the court. I'll see you in
You
the court.
always, yeah, you can see me in the
I've
court or
seen-
wherever you want to. I've seen you for 13 years. You have been just, torturing me
This
all the
marriage
time.
is a wrong decision in
Every
my
neighbor is
life.
laughing at me. Everybody is laughing
I
at me.
married you. This is
When
my.
they see me, they say, look at that guy. He's such a fool. His wife is drinking beer with an unknown
I'm not.
person. Okay, let's go to the
I'm
advocate's
going.
office.
I leave
Let's
you.
go to the advocate's
I
office.
leave you. I leave you. Bye. Go to hell.
Okay.
Okay. Now, lovely. Now, Rajni, you have to go to your lawyer, Richa Singh. Richa is the lawyer. Okay. You have to go and narrate everything.
Okay.
And after that, divorce will be done. We have to make it fast. Yeah. Go to Richa.
Okay, yes, sir. Hello? Can I come, ma'am?
Audio is off.
Hello, Richa.
Richa, your audio is
Yeah.
off, Richa. Richa, your audio.
Hi, Richa. Hi, ma'am. Actually, my name is Rajni, and I'm very fed up of my husband. He's not understand me and my feeling. So I want divorce, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Where is your husband?
Husband, here it.
Yeah, here I am. Oh, hello, advocate. Actually,
Yes, sir.
I can't live with this lady anymore. She doesn't listen to me. Because of her, I am being insulted every time. Everybody is laughing at me. So I just don't want to live with
No,
her.
man, he
And,
said wrong.
I'm ready to give her as much money as
And
she
he
wants.
says
I
wrong.
only want
He says-
divorce.
You both had take a glass of water and rest of wine and then talk. This is not the solution.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. We only want divorce, nothing else. Tell me your fees.
You
I'm
talk
paying.
each other.
Yes, ma'am.
with
I
calm-
need a divorce. Ma'am, I need a divorce.
Tell me
I
your
don't
fees
want to
and we will
live
pay your
that
fees
type
to
of
you.
person.
Yeah.
Don't want to live.
Yeah. I'm so rich.
Okay.
Tell me your fees and get me divorced as quick as possible.
Ma'am, I need divorce as soon as possible. Please, ma'am.
Yeah, I can see your husband is very arrogant. So
Yes, ma'am. You know that,
are,
no?
yeah, I can see. Okay, I will file the divorce paper, and after 6 months, your divorce will be granted. So you meet me at 6 months ago.
6 months later.
Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, अब 6 महीने हो गए. Now divorce has been granted. आप lawyer को thank
Sir,
you
you
बोलिए.
are.
Your voice is off.
Sorry. 6 महीने हो गए हैं. अब आपको डाइवोर्स मिल गया. अपने लॉयर को थैंक यू बोलिए और फिर अंकित को भी एटीट्यूड दिखाइए और निकल लीजिए. 6 months later.
Okay.
लॉयर
Hello,
को
Rajni, Ankit. there is a file, your divorce will be granted. So you both are free now.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. You solved my biggest problems now. And I'm happy.
Rajni, thank you.
Now
Enjoy
I'm
your
happy,
life.
ma'am.
Ankit, your
Your
audio.
voice is
Ankit,
open.
your audio. Ankit, your audio.
Oh, thank you very much, Advocate Madam, for arranging this divorce
Ankita.
certificate for us. And now, yeah, I'm very happy. I'm just a free bird now. And
Yeah.
I don't need to fight with her every day and night.
You are
Now
always
I
a
can marry
giver.
with a girl of my choice now. So Rajni, now you can do whatever you want to, and I'm very happy. And now go and do your 20,000 rupees job. Okay?
Thank you so much. Ankit,
Yeah. Yeah.
get
Thank you.
lost.
Get
Get
lost.
lost in my
Yeah,
life.
I'm going. And do not dare to call me or message me.
No,
Where
no,
is
get
my
lost,
fee?
Ankit.
Where is my fee, Ankit?
Fee,
Where is
fee.
my fee?
Oh,
Yeah, fee.
sorry. How much fee do you want, ma'am?
50,000.
50,000? Oh, don't you think it's too costly? I'll give you 20,000 for this.
You are a rich man, na? So you can provide
Yeah,
me
I am a rich
50,000
man, but
rupees.
it doesn't give you a license to rob me. I'll give you 20,000 rupees, ma'am. Be a bit reasonable, please.
Excuse me. Your divorce will be granted, so you can pay me.
Okay, I will pay you. Okay, take 40,000 then.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay, fine,
I'm okay
fine.
with it.
Fine, guys. Thank you. अब अपना फेस दिखाइए रजनी. अब एंड का समय आ रहा है.
Yes, sir?
Your camera is off. Turn on your camera. Yeah.
No, sir.
अभी कभी कभी हो जाता है इंटरनेट इशू. I can understand. So guys, this is all about this role play. It was really amazing. Thank you very much everybody. मजा आया आप
Thank
लोगों
you,
को?
sir.
मजा आया?
Yes, sir. It was all fun.
Yes, sir.
Lovely. Okay, so I will upload this on YouTube very soon.
Okay, sir.
So see you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Okay,
Bye,
sir.
everybody.
Bye. Have a nice
Have a
day.
nice day.
Have a nice
Have a
Yeah,
nice day,
bye.
sir.
Bye, all of
Bye,
you.
guys.
Bye.